That is a pretty lake. Holy shit.
Oh, it's so blue. Oh my gosh.
Good morning from Crescent, California. We got here just before sunset. Found a great brewery, like probably the best brewery we've been to. They had multiple kombuchas on tap. So Stephanie
And a sour.
and it had a sour. So
really good, yeah.
we actually ended up buying a pack of sours from them.
And a cup.
And a cup. We stayed at this cheapest hotel in town, just a rundown piece of shit hotel.
We just need the bed.
And a shower. But ironically, the same brewery company has a bakery that's a sister store, and it's a 3-minute walk from where we stayed at. So we're gonna go check it out. Hopefully they have good croissants, because I'm really dying.
You've been wanting a croissant.
Yeah, I really want a croissant.
Alright, we're gonna finish out this Redwood ride with the Redwood Highway, 199. Pretty excited, actually, to go back through the woods again.
Yeah.
Oh, is there a hump? I swear. Oh well.
I mean, it doesn't look like it.
Right? This bike thinks that there is. Hear her purr. She's ready. At some point and try to find one of these yellow slugs that are like so popular here. My bike says that it's 60 degrees, but it seems a lot chillier than that. There is a oh my gosh, look, I'm taking my time. This is so pretty.
That like first section was unreal. Where are we at?
We're at Crater Lake, Oregon, drinking some kombucha from the last city we were in. And it's just right there.
Yeah. How many feet deep can you see in this?
143.
How big is this place?
All I know is it's 6 miles across, which is massive.
I'm listening to Revolution.
Oh, okay.
But it's been on like a mix,
Yeah.
which is pretty cool.
About to drive down this mountain. About to drive down this hill. Because I couldn't get it coming up. My battery died. I wonder if I could get some music playing.
Yeah, so it's been playing like a little bit of everything. I had Disturbed playing on the way up here. Bob Marley is playing going through the trees. Oh, I got 5G here. What the hell? Okay, so I might have to pull over and skip some waypoints. Or I could probably do it while we're driving. We might have to reroute. On one map it said that it was open. I guess let's stop here and let me look on the maps again. Make sure that we're not going through, because I believe Google Maps isn't loading anything. I think we're gonna have to. There's two. I can't hear you. Okay, so what it looks like is, oh, my bad. It just looks like there's two south entrances and then one north entrance, and then the north entrance breaks up here and takes a hard right hand turn towards the interstate. Yeah, that's what we were gonna do. But if the north entrance is closed, I don't know where it's at on this road. So there's a road the opposite direction, but we south. It was south.
That was also, well, it said west. so blue. Oh my gosh. Oh, we need to pull over and fly the drone right above it.
Look at that. Look at that river down here just flowing away. Wow, look at that drop. That is a pretty lake. Holy shit.
Are we staying at the Hilton Garden?
I don't remember.
No?
It doesn't tell me like the...
I was gonna say, if we were staying at a Hilton, you should have used my discount.
Yeah. Cool.
Like, it's a lot off.
Is it?
Yeah. Could be up to like 40% off.
Damn. Motel 6.
Oh, Motel 6?
Yeah.
You knew?
No, I had to see the sign.
Go. Oh, but... I thought you didn't like motels.
I can't remember what it was. I had to see the sign.
Turn left, then turn right. Oh, you didn't like motels.
You can go check in.